were you telling me a minute ago? What were you What were you telling me? Remember you were telling me. What were you telling me a minute ago? That was it. Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? Oh, goodness.
Education Connection showed me online has the most flexibility. I can study on the site while traveling, anywhere, anytime. So do something smart for your future. Let Education Connection help you find the right program for free.
Log on now and get Education Connection's free success kit, stuffed with information.